We're trying to raise people's awareness of the portion of their income tax dollars that goes to military spending and ask them to consider whether that meets their priorities, considering how many human needs are going unmet in the areas of healthcare, education, the environment, housing, jobs, job training, unemployment benefits. And we're hoping that they will then want to voice their opinion to their elected leaders in Congress. Most people receive our message positively. I don't know overall. I suppose what impact it's making. Certainly we seem to be having to give the same message every year, and we don't expect that just here we're changing the world, but we do hope we're raising people's awareness, and that's the first stage for making a difference. Some think that by being here we're against the soldiers, and that's really not true. And in fact, we have a proposal from Peace Action for how military spending could be cut, and it specifically says what they think should not be cut, and that includes pay for current armed forces and benefits for veterans and protective gear for them. We understand that these are our fellow citizens, and they are serving their country and they deserve support. What we want is to change the leadership at the top and say that there are better ways to resolve conflicts than going to war, and that there are far better ways to spend our hard-earned income dollars than so much on the military. For example, we have over 850 bases around the world, including over, I think it's 268 in Germany. That would seem to be far more than is necessary for us to be secure. So there are a variety of proposals for things that could be cut without harming our security. And we would like to see those change so that we had more money to spend on human needs.